Let's learn how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. If you want to switch from a personal to a professional account but don't have that option, don't worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app. Once Facebook is open, you need to click on your profile picture located in the top left corner. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to click on the three dots next to the Edit Profile option. When you click on that, a page with more options will open. If among those options you don't see Turn on Professional Mode like I didn't, I'll show you how to fix it. First, you need to unlock your profile if it is locked. After doing that, you need to close and reopen Facebook to refresh it. If that wasn't the problem, then you need to close Facebook. Once you've done that, open the Settings app. After opening Settings, you'll be on a page with many options. From all those options, you need to click on General. When you click on that, a page with more options will open. From those options, you need to click on iPhone Storage. When you click on that, a page will open with a list of your apps. On that list, you need to find the Facebook app and click on it. When you click on it, a page with a few options will open. You need to click on Offload App and wait a bit. Once you do that, on that same spot, a Reinstall App option will appear which you need to click on. Now you need to wait for your app to reinstall. Once the installation is complete, check if the Professional Mode option is available now. If the option still isn't there, it might not be available in your country, as some Facebook features are not available in all countries. The country you are in might not have that option. That was the tutorial on how to fix Facebook Professional Mode not showing. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.